Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we're moving. Like, I can't believe it. I just got here and I'm about to get my keys, so yeah, I'm gonna go film an empty apartment tour. And then, as you can see, my car is packed. I have a bunch of shit that I need to bring in, so I'm taking you guys along my little moving series. I got my keys, guys, and I'm in the apartment. Make sure you check out my empty apartment tour because it will be posted before this video. But yeah, they gave me a little goodie bag. Oh, I want to show you guys the name. They gave me a towel, has the name of the apartment on the front. They gave me like a little Yeti cup. I actually really wanted one of these, so I'm good. It has the name of the apartment too, so I can show you the front. And I got a sanitizer and an EOS thing. Damn, but just look nice in the apartment here. But look nice, bad. But I do have some stuff in my car that I'm gonna struggle to bring up because I told my boyfriend not to come because I wanted to experience it by myself. But yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so happy, and I'm just so grateful and thankful that I'm able to afford this apartment. Like, it's unreal. I've been dreaming about having my own apartment for years. Like, it's crazy. It's like I was always the one watching empty apartment tours, and now I'm filming one. Like, it's unreal. Like, and the lighting is so good in here. This is just natural light, guys. Look at this. Look at this shit. You see this shit? Oh, I'm so late and I'm hungry. But yeah, I'm going to Houston after this, so I need to get my butt cracking. Hey guys, so today is today is the 19th. We just got to my apartment. I just got a few stuff like right here. This is just my suitcase, and then I have some stuff in the back. So we're just gonna like organize a little bit. And this is Dylan's first time seeing the place. So yes, I don't officially move in until the weekend. My choice, but yeah. Yeah, so I'll just bring you guys up. Hey guys, I thought why not do a little haul of some stuff that I got. So I'm gonna start with home goods because I went there yesterday. I got these like kitchen towels. There was a name that I saw. It says bar mops. Not sure what a bar mop is. And I got 2 kitchen towels. I'm going for like dark gray, black, and like cream. I also got this little cute utensil holder, and it could go right here. Yeah, cute. And then I got some gloves because I have nails on, and this make it don't grow out too fast. So you know water that goes into it. Oh babe, can you kill the spider? Huh? Is it still there? Kill it. I hate spiders. I got this thing to put over my bathroom door. You know, just to have up like robes, towels. I got this black shower caddy. Cute. And then, oh, I also got this KitchenAid like scissors. What is he doing up there? And then from Marshall, did I like glass? I got this black colander. No washy veggies. I got these measuring cups. I wanted the xoxo magnetic ones, but I couldn't find it. By the looks of it, it was going to be expensive. And I got these. What the heck is that? I got these like microfiber. Sorry guys, I'm sick. I got these microfiber like towels like for the bathroom and the kitchen, and probably that's the white on furniture. And I got these chip bags. I'm gonna put some of this stuff in where it needs to go, just to speed up the organization. So I got these like coasters. Aren't these so cute? This is like Marshalls. I got them at so cute. Then I got this toothbrush holder for my bathroom, and this for my sink. Wow, it seems like I'm getting a lot of black stuff, and it wasn't on purpose. And also I got this to match my IKEA one. Oh, I think I'm gonna do my IKEA bag as well. But oh shit! Oh my goodness! That pulled up some sparkles from the counter. I'm only gonna do IKEA after this because I do have a lot of stuff and I do want to organize them. This is everything. Just everything up here. And Dylan is hungry and grumpy, so I just need to hurry up so I can go home and cook. But yes, I'm only gonna go through my IKEA stuff. Excuse me. Something. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna start with this first. So I got this bathroom thing, so this is what I meant. They're kind of like a different color, like this one's darker. I don't mind. I got these candles and I think I might return these because I feel like they smell good in the place, but I hear it doesn't smell good at all. So that's all. And then I got 4 of these wine glasses. Aren't these so cute? Bougie. I got this thing. I might put like milk or my coffee cream right in there. Excuse me. And I got this can opener. Damn, I really got a lot of black stuff. I got these. Oh, I got these. Sorry. Well, you guys not able to see me, but I got these. This whisk and a vegetable peeler. So these I'm gonna put in this. Put it right here. Or on this side. Oh no. I'll figure it out. Excuse me. And there. I got some of these glass cups. I don't remember what it looked like. Oh, these regular glass cups. And then I got a grater and what's this called again? A white hood. And then I got this strainer, even though I feel like I need to just go buy a regular strainer because this and my sink. Well, I guess I could do it like this. I could do it like this way, but you know, like this is the longest it goes, so I will have to do like this. This is cool in here. This curry pasta. Yeah, I'm trying to help you guys out because I don't like when my double chin show. But yeah, and I think that's all I got from IKEA. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna prop you guys up and have you like just watch me organize. So guys, my camera died, so I'm filming on my phone, but I did go ahead and clean up the place. So I just have my vacuum and my Swiffer, and I put all like the kitchen stuff up here. I put this right here just so I can see what it looks like. And this is my bowls. Did I put anything in here? No. And then I just put some stuff in like the drawer. And I went ahead and packed some other stuff in here. And oh yeah, I'm trying to remember what I did. The pillows on my lights on my camera. And then I put, oh shoot. Then I just put my bathroom stuff in here, so yeah. Guys, I know I want to see my ass getting fat, but anyways. Yeah, and then I put like my towels and stuff in here because I'm gonna wash them when I come back. I wanted to wash them today, but Mr. Grumpy. But yeah, so everything's looking good now.